this is Rashmi. In today's video, let's see how to make this beautiful flower which can be used as a backdrop for different kind of parties, and it is made out of very basic materials. So let's get started. All details will be mentioned in the video. For this flower we need crepe paper, crepe streamer. The higher the GSM of the crepe paper, better it is. A hot glue gun, scissors and a disposable plate. It's always better to take disposable plate which matches with the crepe paper. The width of my crepe paper is 20 inches, so I'm using the maximum of it, and my petal will be 10 inches. That because when I fold it, it will be 10 inches petal I get. So we have to always cut it lengthwise. Maybe you can see the vertical lines for the crepe paper, so you have to cut parallel to it or lengthwise. If you are an art loving person, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press on the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new videos. Make the bottom folded part of the petal be a little broader, not narrow, which makes the petal more stable. Following the same method, let's cut few more petals depending upon how big your disposable plate is. 8 is ideal number. Exactly the same way, let's cut the second layer of petals, which would be smaller than the first layer or the outer layer. So first layer we have taken 10 inches length, so let's take about 8 inches length, and width would be 6 inches. And let's follow the same method and cut about 8 petals for the second layer too. And for the third small petals, let's take a rectangle piece of paper, crepe paper, and fold into 4 and cut into a petal shape, and here you get about 4 petals. You can do about 8 to 12 or even more. So we have outer petal, the second layer petal and the third layer petals. So in the center we'll use the crepe streamers. Let's glue the outer layer and the inner layer petals like this with hot glue gun, leaving a little space for your hand to not burn, and then let's gather it. It's just to gather, so it makes us to form the petal better. And let's pull it apart too, which gives volume to the flower. Let's use the same method for all the outer petals and the second layer petals, and this is the time to glue our petals to a disposable plate. I love doing this part. I could take only 7 petals for the outer one, 8 is better. And for the center part, I have taken the crepe streamers about 4 feet length, and I have folded it, and with the help of a scissors I have just snipped one end, unfold it and roll it again, and put some hot glue at the bottom and just place it at the center of the flower. Here our beautiful flower is ready. It is so easy and it's really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you liked today's video. Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.
It's so beautiful.